Ciao, ciao bella. We are off to the cooking show.
Tintarella di luna, tintarella con un latte, tutta notte stai sul tetto, sopra il tetto come i gatti, e se c'è la luna piena, tu diventi candida.
Kia ora te whānau, we are here in Verona, Italy. I am in a culinary cooking kura, whereby I'm going to be showing them 3 dishes that we make at home, showcasing it here in Italy with their ingredients. I'm doing a venison tata, venison being something from my husband's kainga, ruatahuna, when we go hunting. Of course, our outstanding dish, our ikamata or our raw fish. I will be finishing off with my sweet Thai kutai, which is one of the dishes that my tamariki and my whānau enjoy. So those are the 3 dishes I'll be sharing with all of our whānau today. Let's hope there's not too many language barriers, but that we're able to communicate, whether it be via ringa, karu, my skills in being able to present. So wish me luck, everybody.
Tintarella di luna, tintarella con un latte, ti fa bianca la tua pelle, ti fa bella tra le belle, e se c'è la luna piena, tu diventi candida.
Ika mata, kōrero mai, speak. Ika mata, raw fish. Traditionally in Aotearoa, the best fish is what we refer to as trevally. Trevally or red snapper. Do they like fish?
No.
See? See? Oh, see?
We want to teach how to cook fish because we don't have a deep tradition. Like for example, in Venice the fish is very bad.
No.
It's overcooked.
No. So next, the process I'm going to do now is cure or slightly cook the fish in lemon juice. This will bring out flavors. Because in New Zealand, everything's salty. We like lots of salt.
Really?
Lots.
Okay.
So, sorry. I know measure. I look, smell, and taste.
Tintarella di luna, tintarella con un latte, tutta notte stai sul tetto.
Kia ora te whānau. We're down to the wire. This is our last show. It is almost 5 o'clock here in Verona in Italy. Once this is done, we're off to do our last haka boogie.
Amazing experience. It was really delicious. It's first time for me to taste something from New Zealand and Maori people. Thank you so much.